Basically, the way a password manager works is you have one password to get into the password manager, and then that password manager stores all your other passwords. What's up, everybody? This is Dan Bizzani, and today we're going to go through just a couple of different, we're going to go through the 10 ways to fortify your home network. Hope this is helpful. Here we go. Basically, the way a password manager works is you have one password to get into the password manager, and then that password manager stores all your other passwords. I use MSecure because I can download my database of passwords encrypted to anywhere I want. MSecure is just a password manager. It's very similar to an app called Keys in iOS, or I should say Keychain. That is a secure location where you can store all your passwords on your mobile device. So MSecure is just an app in the App Store in Android, which I really like. And you can get their standalone app for about $20 to $30. A lot of times they'll run a special and you can get it for $20, and it's a full license forever. You just have that app. They also have a subscription system where you can use the cloud to synchronize all your passwords across multiple things. I'm not really into all that. If I want to store it on the cloud, I'll put it on my own cloud. But MSecure is very helpful. Basically, the way a password manager works is you have one password to get into the password manager, and then that password manager stores all your other passwords. For instance, if you have to manage someone else's accounts, you can set up a group inside your password manager and say, these accounts are for this customer or this family member who needs my help. It'll help you organize your passwords too. You can make some for corporate, some for home. If you're in a jam and you can't remember your password, you can put that in there. I use all over the place. We have a storage unit I use to store what the code is to get into the storage building. That's just something that is super helpful to me, and I think that everyone in the modern age who has more than 5 or 10 accounts probably can't remember all their passwords. Password manager is super helpful. Now, there's other options out there which are even more interesting in terms of their security systems. Do your research, see which ones have had breaches. So that's password managers. Super helpful. That's number 3. Hope this was helpful. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe. This document, I'm going to post this document actually on my website for sale. However, the reason why it would be for sale is because with the document, you get a couple of seminars where we can walk through how you did with these and maybe any pitfalls you ran into, and we can help you troubleshoot those. But sign up for my email list. That'll give you how to build a strong password PDF, and that will allow you to get my email when I do launch the course. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and maybe something I missed on one of the topics or any of the topics, or something you're interested coming up in the next video. Just let me know. All right, hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much. You can reach me at lowtechsupport.com. We'll set up a contact page so you can email me from there. I think that's about it. Cool. We'll try to get you guys some more information on how to fortify your home network. All right, thank you so much. God bless you. Peace.